squeeze a grape only for its juice into your mouth, do you recite Recite HaGafen?
Yes. Yeah. No. Oh, no. What's up? No. What's that? Step back. It's a very interesting question. So is it a juice? I think it's still Bora Prichaetz. Because, it's not squeeze the juice into your mouth. It's a difficult question. I need to think about it. I would say Bora Prichaetz, not Bora Prichaetz. But it's my guess. So my logic is that when we make juice or wine, we would squeeze it into vessel first. That's the thing. Mouth is not considered to be vessel.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So this, I was wondering, are we allowed to squeeze something directly into our mouth on Shabbos?
That's a good. That's actually exception. That we can suck on a fruit. So you get a piece of orange and you can suck the juice from orange. Is it like you would not be allowed maybe to squeeze it because orange is in second category. So there are actually three categories of the products produce. There is that that halach of squeeze and apply. So first category is actually biblical. Biblical is what is only grapes and olives, right? Because the juice, right, and oil is considered more prominent than the fruit itself. So those are two biblically forbidden to squeeze, right? Second category is the fruits and vegetables that are usually squeezed, right? For example, orange or the tomatoes or something. So that would not be allowed to squeeze them. But if you squeeze, meaning with a hand or with implement, but when you suck it, it's a normal way of eating, so it would not be a problem. I would say don't do it with the grapes because it might be on the border of issue, but like orange and other things, there is no problem. And then the third category, the things that are never squeezed, of course there is exception, but if you're in a culture where you live, the people usually don't make juices out of it, so there is no problem to squeeze it, right? And the example would be maybe melons, right? Like honeydew, there is some juice, but or like watermelon. I don't think people squeeze watermelon for juice. I don't, maybe they do, but it's only minority, maybe some in health food store or something. But otherwise, majority of people would not consider squeezing watermelon for the juice, right? So that's the third category, and you can squeeze or bananas. Is it moisture from bananas? Okay, maybe there is some, or strawberry or something. So in this, you would be able to squeeze as needed. So first category never allowed, right? So even in one's mouth, I think it could be problematic. I mean, if you eat it, there's no problem. That's not normal way of eating. But suck on the grape, just the juice, I would not do that. Right, and there's also side effect of the liquid oozing from the fruit, right? So, for example, you cut your orange and from the knife, right? While you cut it, you have some juice. So it's not so simple. According to some opinions, you're not allowed to drink that until the end of the Shabbos. Because why? Because these fruits, for example, oranges, are usually eaten I usually juiced, right? So even though you were cutting to eat it, but there was juice like as a byproduct, so don't drink it until the end of the Shabbos. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome. Very interesting questions. Yeah.